ndagusaba kudafunga iyi space
Ego
uko kuri kose tukakuvugiramo ahangaha
ukuvuge
ejo tutabona uko kuri kutavuze tugatekereza ko watamitswe
intamikwa nande
ikibyinje kimeneke n'ubundi nibyo wakiriye ntago ari byo uhimbye ntaho tugiye ntago nta bana turi kuriza
ahubwo munabitubwira kiri muri live twumvise no biratubwira ko ari muri live nawe
barimo na nyiri ubwite namuhaye nayimusharinze ngo yayifasha ari kuyumva na ntuza na nkuranga arahari twakira abantu batavuze tujye mbere Wilson fata ijambo dufate dekeza mana yanjye
Godfather je sinzi ko mwasomye kuri nuze uyu mukobwa mutesi yakoze iriya trade yakoze harimwo urwandiko mbona yakuye mu karere niba ari akarere muri bariya bashinzwe aba labors nabonye barumvikanye yuko bagomba kumwishyura baranashyiraho n'itariki ntarengwa uri kureba kare nanjye navuze ntarabisoma ariko biragaragara neza yuko ntaho bazabakikira gute kubera ko muri ruriya rwandiko iyi restaurant cyuzi Kigali yaremeye neza yuko bamurimo amafaranga 900 kandi bagomba kuyamwishura muri noneho
guys be ready to tap the screen she's strong person uyu mudamu muramuzi she's a strong bonjour madame Aido ça va
Oui ça va.
OK allez-y tout jeu
bafite imbaraga zingana
Tu sais quoi?
Ah no two games we're going to play 2 games just say 2
Why 2 games?
yeah no if you win 2 I go if I score it's normally it's a 3 games so if you win 2 then I go out if I win 2 you go out if I win 1 you win 1 we have to play the last one so the person we have to get the winner.
Okay
Let's go. Oh urakoze cyane Wilson keza nakwakiriye ijambo ni ryawe. Muraho neza
Rubizi ko naherutse kuri space zawe ariko abantu barenganye abana b'abakobwa sinshobora kuhabura.
I know.
Ntabwo bishoboka.
I know.
Thank you for having this space. Thank you for space for doing this.
Thank you for coming.
Reka mbabwire.
Guys tap the screen.
Ibi bintu twabinyuzemo Godfather n'imyaka yanjuzi.
Tap the screen.
Twabinyuzemo tugitangira imibere n'imyaka yanjuzi.
Guys tap the screen.
Tugitangira imibere
Guys tap the screen. This person she's strong. Kumve the case.
Birambiranye niba tugiye gushinga ishyirahamwe rirenganura abakozi babandi tuvuga ngo nabantu bakora muri restaurant abantu bakora muri bars abantu batishyurwa like
mumbabarire mu tapping the screen uyu mugore ari strong ndabasabye
ntago umwana w'umukobwa udashobora kuhafordinga pads azafordinga deodorant yo kujya guhumura neza agiye gukora muri
guys please
Choose Kigali ngira ngo ifite
guys please follow this ndabasabye
if I'm not wrong
guys nkeneye follow this
urumva ifite 5 stars yakiriye umwami
guys follow this please abantu muri TikTok
the president has been there abantu bajyayo nagara it's to me I've been there twice
musharinge this live
nanjye byambaye ibyo bintu Noela na booking the table ndahamagara that was I think in 2023
guys the time is true baradukubira gatatu anything you drop baradukubira gatatu muri tsindu uyu mudamu please reka sindu uyu mudamu anything you drop baradukubira gatatu
baramamagara saa 5 za nijoro ngo washaka booking a table I'm sorry
guys let's go times 3
restaurants ngizi zizwi zakira abantu maybe twebwe turi rubanda rugufi
guys times 3 anything you have please
maybe that's what I'm thinking because niba umuntu narahamagaye you guys narahamagaye yizo no wese aba bantu ndabashaka yiki ngira ngo nagiye muri Zen or something. First of all it's overpriced. Second, there
guys,
is no communication. Thirdly, the customer service is shit. I'm sorry. I know the owner nago tuziranye ariko ndamuzi. Na brother we na bara artists ngira ngo barashushanya ngo something. It's a nice